Model, 2014 Ford Transit 352.2 TDCI Mark 8 starts and runs great, will need head gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148,180. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401